Hi, I'm Josiah, owner of Carlson Home Photography, and we're a premier real estate media company located right here in Kansas City. We specialize in real estate photos, video and virtual tours, drone, and so much more. We're a one-stop shop for all your real estate marketing needs. Check this out.
So you might be thinking, what sets us apart from photographers you're already working with? Well, not only do we provide stunning photos and video at a fantastic price, but we can assure you our team of professionals will make you look amazing. When you hire us, we consider ourselves an extension of your team. So being on time to each appointment, helping move things around to set up the perfect shot, all while being kind and personable as we interact with your clientele is a top priority for us. We also offer easy online ordering and scheduling that's flexible to help you meet you and your clients' deadlines. Our photos have a lightning fast turnaround, so they're back to you in 24 hours or less.
We're constantly striving to provide innovative services using cutting-edge technology which help agents look top-notch, both online and in person. From property websites to custom flyers, email blasts, and social media tools, we have all you're wanting and more. Visit us online to view our services and pricing, or give us a call or text. We look forward to hearing from you.